AJAX, or Asynchronous JavaScript and XML, has revolutionized web development by enabling asynchronous data loading, which means parts of a web page can be updated without reloading the entire page. This technology has both benefits and drawbacks, which we will explore in detail. One of the primary benefits of AJAX is its ability to reduce server traffic and speed up web applications. By only updating necessary parts of a page, AJAX minimizes the amount of data transferred between the client and server. This results in faster load times and a more responsive user experience. Additionally, AJAX supports asynchronous calls, allowing users to continue interacting with the page while data is being fetched in the background. This leads to a smoother and more seamless user experience. AJAX also enhances form validation by allowing real-time feedback without the need to reload the page, making it a valuable tool for improving user interaction and satisfaction. Despite its advantages, AJAX has several drawbacks. One significant issue is browser compatibility. Not all browsers support JavaScript and XML HTTP request objects, which are essential for AJAX functionality. This can lead to inconsistent user experiences across different browsers. Security is another concern, as AJAX applications can be vulnerable to various attacks, including cross-site scripting, XSS, and cross-site request forgery, CSRF. Developers must implement robust security measures to mitigate these risks. Additionally, AJAX can complicate bookmarking and navigation since the URL does not change despite page updates. This can make it difficult for users to return to specific states of a web application. AJAX is widely used in various web applications to enhance user experience. For instance, Google Maps employs AJAX to allow users to drag and zoom the map without reloading the page. Similarly, when you type a query into the Google search bar, AJAX provides real-time suggestions based on your input. Social media platforms like Twitter use AJAX to update feeds dynamically, ensuring that users see the latest content without refreshing the page. These examples demonstrate how AJAX can create more interactive and efficient web applications by enabling real-time data updates and seamless user interactions. Looking ahead, several trends could shape the future development of AJAX. One significant trend is the increasing integration of AJAX with modern frameworks like React and Angular. These frameworks enhance AJAX's capabilities by providing more efficient ways to manage state and render components. Another trend is the growing emphasis on security. As AJAX applications become more prevalent, developers will need to adopt advanced security practices to protect against emerging threats. Additionally, the rise of progressive web apps, PWAs, is likely to influence AJAX development. PWAs leverage AJAX to deliver app-like experiences on the web, blurring the lines between web and native applications. In conclusion, AJAX offers numerous benefits, including faster load times and improved user interactions, but it also comes with challenges like browser compatibility and security concerns. As web development continues to evolve, understanding the benefits and drawbacks of AJAX will be crucial for creating efficient and secure web applications.